ఇండియన్ గ్లోబల్ వీక్ 2020లో ప్రధాని మోడీ పాల్గొన్నారు. భారత్లో పెట్టుబడులు పెట్టాలని కంపెనీలకు పిలుపునిచ్చారు మోడీ. అన్ని రంగాలపై కరోనా ప్రభావం పడిందని అన్నారు ప్రధాని మోడీ. కరోనా సంక్షోభం నుంచి ప్రపంచం కోలుకుంటోందని అన్నారు మోడీ.
And tech professionals, they have been showing the way for decades. India is a powerhouse of a talent that is eager to contribute and ever ready to learn. There is two-way synergy that is greatly beneficial. Friends, the second factor is India's ability to reform and rejuvenate. Indians are natural reformers. History has shown that India has overcome every challenge, be it social or economical. India had done so with a spirit of reform and rejuvenation. The same spirit continues now. Friends, on one hand, India is fighting a strong battle against the global pandemic. With an increased focus on people's health, we are equally focused on the health of the economy. When India talks of revival, it is revival with care, revival with compassion, revival which is sustainable both for the environment and the economy. We in India belong to the culture where Mother Nature is worshipped by everyone. It is believed in India that the earth is our mother and we are her children. Friends, during the last 6 years, India has made great gains in areas such as total financial inclusion, record housing and infra construction, ease of doing business, bold tax reforms including the GST, rollout of the world's largest healthcare initiative, Ayushman Bharat. These gains have set the foundation for the next round of development initiatives. Friends, Indians have the spirit to achieve what is believed to be impossible. No wonder that in India we are already seeing green shoots when it comes to economic recovery. In this time of a pandemic, we have provided relief to our citizens and undertaken deep structural reforms. We are making the economy more productive, investment friendly and competitive. Our relief package has been smart and targeted to provide the most poor with the most help. Thanks to technology, every penny has reached the beneficiaries directly. Relief includes providing free cooking gas, cash in the bank accounts, free food grains to millions of people and many other things. As soon as we unlock, we have launched one of the world's largest public works programs